Hello everyone and welcome. One of the most exciting features in version 6.8 is the ability to add charts you use in the user interface designer into export files. Let us show you how this works on an example. Here we have an LED savings calculator which can calculate estimated savings that can be made by switching from traditional fixtures to LED lights. When the user hits the Create Export button, we want to give them a detailed report of their results. To do this, we first need to add an image which will be used to tie the visualization with the export document. This can be any image you want, and it doesn't have to have anything to do with the charts you want to place. After placing the image, all we need to do is assign an alt text to this image. This process follows the same idea of adding document stubs in other print processes. Now we can go ahead and add our documents into a print process. Next, we need to go to the document stubs and select the corresponding chart for this image. Available charts will be shown under the visualization column. We can now assign this print process to our action button. Now let's do a preview. Entering our details and pressing Create Report, we will get a PDF export. The export file contains the chart that is coming from the second and hidden page of our application and shows a breakdown of annual operating costs. You can always sign up for a free trial from our website if you haven't already done so and see these exciting new features in action. Thank you for watching.